Hi, hello, and welcome to the demo on Acheron MPM Adobe Plugin. My name is Gunalan Selvam, and I am responsible for product management and innovation in Acheron. Today, I would give a brief overview of the Acheron MPM Adobe Plugin and then quickly jump into the demo. For those who are new to Acheron MPM, this is an end-to-end project management solution capable of handling complex workflows covering creation of media, multiple review and approval cycles, ensuring approved content gets published downstream. The Acheron MPM Adobe plugin integrates the Acheron MPM workflows with Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop, enabling creative designers access their project-based to-do tasks directly from the Adobe application. In today's scenario, the creative designer is required to log in into their project management application to plan their next tasks and capture the project requirements. They then switch over to their design application from where they do the creative design. Once done, they switch back to the MPM application and upload the content. The same is the case with respect to media that have been reviewed in the workflow and reverted to the creative designers for modifications. That is where Acheron MPM Adobe plugin comes to the creative designer's rescue. This is specific to the creative designer as the other personas get all their work done from within the Acheron MPM application itself without having to switch between different applications. In today's demo, we would be getting a glimpse on how the creative designer would be handling a new design creation task, and then later we will see how they can view annotations in the creative review module and apply those modifications to the design before uploading a versioned up content to the workflow. For this demo, I would be using Adobe Illustrator as the design application and have configured the Acheron MPM Adobe plugin in my workstation. You can go to the Window menu, then to the Extensions, and here you can find the Media Project Management plugin. Click on it to open it. Here you need to log in using your MPM credentials. Once you are logged in, you can access the active tasks dashboard that is there in your usual Acheron MPM Designer's login. The user experience is same as that within the MPM application. We can filter projects and sort them to navigate to the exact project that we would like to work upon. Say for example, we want to work on this project. We can open the tile and see details of the tasks within this project that are assigned to us. We can now start creating the content directly from the Adobe application. In the interest of time, I have already created an Illustrator file and the content is ready for submission for further reviews. I can just click on the upload icon either here or from the task tile in these locations to initiate the upload process and share any upload comments if required. Just as simple as that. Now that we have seen the new design creation task, let's see how the designer can work on modification tasks. Now let me open a task that has been reviewed and modifications have been requested. Here, I can view the comments at the asset level and open the media for direct edit within the Adobe application. It would be handy to view annotations shared by reviewers, so I go ahead and open the Creative Review tool from here. Here, I can see the annotations and comments shared by reviewers and the project manager as well. For better visibility, I am presenting both the screens in my workstation. I'm using one screen to view the annotations in Creative Review and the other screen to do the modifications on the media. This way, I can ensure all comments and feedback are addressed before completing my modifications and re-uploading back into the same task. Acheron MPM takes care of versioning up the media and taking it further through the review workflows as may be required. Hope this plugin is exciting but yet very simple to use, making the routines of designers easier. Let's meet up again in another sneak peek into our Acheron MPM. Want to have a detailed demonstration of our product? Feel free to reach out to us in the links below or shoot out an email to us. Thank you for watching this video.